up, guys? So today I am going to show you all the Nerf guns I have today. Oh, here's one. This one's my favorite, kind of. Other than the other one I'm going to show you in a minute. This one is like the greatest. Look, it can shoot. Look at it shoot. Did you see it? Comment down below if you saw it. And this shoots a lot. I don't know how far it shoots, but this one's my favorite. I'm going to show you the other one, don't worry. Actually, let's save the last one for last. Okay. I have this one. Yeah. Look at this one shoot. Hold on. Sorry about that. So yeah, that one shoots a lot. Okay, for the fine. Oh, actually, I have a cross. Well, no, it's a bow and arrow. Nerf gun. I'll show you that. Okay, here's this one. This one's not the one that I want to show you. Yeah, that one shoots just like normal. Now for the grand finale. This big boy. Yeah. Adventure Force. Right up there. It has, hold on, let me count. How much? So there's 20 bullets that goes into here. So yeah. I hope you like this video, and trust me, I have some more. That's going to be on part 2. So bye bye. Like and subscribe and comment down below which Nerf gun you like best. Bye.